So you touched upon Macaulay duration, no?
yeah, this is bond duration is also referred as Macaulay's duration.
Okay.
So you say bond
Alright.
duration, you say Macaulay's duration, both are same. And
Okay.
remember, Surya, what is bond duration? Bond duration is basically how much is the discounted payback period for you on that security.
Yeah.
That is your bond valuation.
So
Okay.
you are waiting out.
What is this revised maturity or something?
Okay, so let us focus on this, Devang, and we will let's go step by step. So let us understand the properties of bond duration. Now, please tell me, the higher the coupon rate, the lower the duration. Is that correct?
Correct.
Right.
Everybody,
Yeah.
it has to be correct. And why it has to be correct? What is duration? Again, please remember. What is duration?
Actually, yes, the income is more than the cost.
Very good,
So,
Ankit.
the early recovery of maturity.
Absolutely, Ankit. Absolutely, very good, fantastic. Really, I'm glad with your answer. The longer the term to maturity, the longer the duration. Yes or no?
Yes.
Obviously. So longer the TTM, longer is going to be the duration. The higher the yield to maturity, the lower the bond duration.
Correct.
Yeah, everyone, everyone.
Right.
Okay. In a zero coupon bond, the bond's term to maturity and duration are same.
Yes.
It has to, because in case of zero coupon bond, the cash flow is happening in the last year. So since the cash flow is happening in the last year, there is only one weightage, and therefore the in case of zero coupon bond, bonds term to maturity and duration are same. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Ankit, are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kamal,
Yes, sir.
Varun,
Yes, sir.
Sanjay.
Sir, only one doubt. Only one doubt.
Huh.
Sir, as in the zero coupon bond,
Huh.
bonds were issued at the discount.
Correct.
It means the income is coming on the time of maturity.
Correct. Very good.
So, sir, where that income will goes means and which head. So why there is a little bit confusion. There should not be a same because the discounted payback period will be lesser than in the ad if we compare to the maturity. Sir, what
Okay.
is your mean,
Okay.
opinion?
Okay. So what I will do is, let me explain it to you with the help of an example. Uh, okay. So let's say that uh, let's say you have a deep discount bond, and whose face value is 110. Okay, forget about the first four cash flows, the cash flows of the first 4 years, because it is a zero coupon bond. So since it is a zero coupon bond, obviously there will not be any uh, interest payment or any cash flow uh, until the year of the redemption. So if the redemption is in the fifth year, the cash flow inflow is going to happen only in the fifth year. We are assuming, for the sake of simplicity and understanding, that the bond face value is 110 rupees. So look at, and please pay attention. So 110 is the cash flow, and the discount factor is going to be 0.519, and your present value is going to be 57.09. Please pay attention. So what is going to happen is your present value is going to be 57.09, and you multiply this 57.09 with 5, and what you get is 285. Do you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your weighted present value is coming 285.45, and you divide it by 86.22. Sorry, you divide it by 57.09, as you have done here. So what is going to be the outcome? 5 years. What is your TTM? Your TTM is 5 years. What is your duration coming? Your duration is coming 5 years. So in case of zero coupon bond, the bond duration is going to be same as TTM. Everyone.
Hello. Now, can you explain the term modified duration and effective duration?
We will take that later, Devang. Let us focus
Okay.
on the things which are going to be critical from the exam point of view. Because I'm just trying to focus, from where the questions are going to come.
Okay.
That we can, take later much at our ease. So, Surya, does it make sense to you?
Very much, sir. Very much.
Okay, very good, very good. All right, now we come to the what is credit rating, and what factors are considered in credit rating of a bond. Friends, I am sure all of us are quite familiar with what is credit rating.